What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Senpai Aquatics. For those new here, welcome in. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Hygger Wave Maker. This is the final component to make the 40 gallon complete, so that's pretty exciting. This video is just going to be an unboxing and installation guide, so if you want me to make a how-to video, feel free to leave a comment down below. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. Here is all the components laid out, and if you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description down below. So here I'll be placing the controller on the left side lower corner of my tank. So using the double-sided tape or the double-sided Velcro, I placed it behind the controller and then placed it onto my tank. Next, we'll be plugging in the power source to the controller. Here I'm just showing you the water flow of the return pump. So since it's flowing in this direction, I decided to put the wave maker on the opposite side, that way the flow of water is circulating. Now we got the wave maker in. I'm using the magnet to move it up and down. I decided not to use the suctions that came with it because I felt like it won't be useful, so I took that out, and it's easier to move the wave maker up and down. So I didn't read the instructions, and it said that the wave maker needs to be at least 7 inches below water level. So be sure you do that and not make the mistake that I did. So now we're connecting the wave maker to the controller. and just make sure it's snug fit, and then tighten the cap down. So here's the final looks of the controller and the wave maker. Now we have the wave maker on. As you can see that the water is circling around with all the debris floating in the water. That's a little normal, so just give it some time for the water to clear up. And that's the Hygger wave maker. Like I said earlier, if you want me to make a how-to video, feel free to leave a comment. As well, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel. And once again, I'll catch you guys later.